Okay, this is the Beatles' She Said, She Said. We're going to break down like the first 6 fills from Ringo's drum track and try to recreate them. So we're only breaking down the first 6 fills because if you can get those, you can listen to the rest of the song and kind of pull from that vocabulary and play everything else he's playing, right? So let's just dive right in. And keep in mind, these fills are swung. The only fill that's not really swung is after he does those first 2 crashes, exiting the first verse. Ba ba. That's not. It's ba ba. That's straight, but everything else is swung. So let's just dive right in. So on that first fill, just make sure that your ghost notes on the snare stay really quiet. They're really low and quiet. Not really quiet. So that second fill is a great example of using drop catch. Da 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 da. Watch the hand technique video to learn more about drop catch, but it helps us get really low, light diddles, and then also that second stroke of the left hand diddle, it's accented. And the fingers help us put that accent on there. Right? So the other part of that second, boom, pa, boom, boom, pa, boom, boom. Using this to simulate the tom. Da 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 doom da 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 da. And on the second tom hit, he puts a little ghost note in there. I think on my version I play that a little loud, but right left. Crash. Starting off with the right hand, everything's really low. Right, left, and then you get the accent. So right, right, tom. Then back to the low taps. Right, both those accents are on the right. And then floor tom left. Make sure that you're not using like excess motion, that you're keeping everything nice and low. You're moving quick versus da 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 doom da, picking up the arm, going over and trying to come back. You got to be quick with the motion, right? Move it over to the floor tom, bam. Kick da 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 da. A lot of accents and taps, kind of a pa-da-da accent, low tap. Boom, ba, 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 da. Pretty straight. Instead of, it's one thing to notice in all these fills is that the kick drum underneath, 1, 2, 3, 4, playing those quarter notes nice and steady. 4, 1, not super loud, but just keeping time as the swung fills happen on top of the kick, right? So keep that going and make sure that you play slow enough to lock all that in so you're not flamming, and then you can speed it up and get it up to tempo. Download the drumless track. Look at the notation, study it, and it'll make you a better drummer. And thanks for spending some time here this week. See you next time.